before I started with Nadir, the biggest frustration that I had is my body wasn't changing after doing a lot because of lot of things which I realized when I started training with Nadir. But the frustration was I was doing a lot, but nothing was getting changed. The goal which I had in my mind, I was getting leaner, but only like leaner. And I used to lift a lot, like heavy lifting, but nothing was like changing, just getting leaner because I was always on calorie deficit that time. I was doing strength training, I was lifting weights, and I was calculating my macros, but still nothing was happening. My body was exactly the same, the weight was exactly the same. I think the biggest mistake I was doing, I was not building, that everybody does. For females, it is more on the, how to get leaner. My mindset was like that only that time. I always wanted to get leaner. So I never thought about building. And now after Nadir, I know how, the building plays a very, very important part in getting your dream body that you want. So I want a very muscular body. So, but without building, it is not possible. So actually I was figuring it out myself. I met Nadir through Instagram only. He asked me, but I said no, I want a physical coaching. I don't want somebody virtually coaching because I don't think so that can work. But then I just thought, let's Vijeta give it a shot. That's how I am, that's my personality. If some opportunity comes at my door, I never say no. I always give it a shot. And I think that is the biggest, the most important decision I took in my life, that I enrolled with Nadir. I did take a PT before, which did not work out. So I thought Nadir can be that person, where I can give it a shot. And I think that is the best decision ever. Before Nadir, I was lifting 150 kgs of deadlift with the saddest form ever. But when Nadir came, he taught me that that one sentence is always stays with me in the gym and throughout, that your muscle doesn't know how much weight you are picking. Your muscle know tension. How you can give tension to your muscle with a weight that, it doesn't matter it is 100 kg, it doesn't matter it is 50 kg, but then you should know how to perform a set in a proper format, not just like perform. And that is the biggest mistake people do. They just go towards the heavy lifting and they don't understand the dynamics of exercise. And I think that's the biggest learning throughout my journey, that lifting heavy is not the solution, lifting right is the solution. I started long time back with like walks and everything, no nutrition in place, nothing. I was lean, but I was very weak and I knew it. But now I feel very strong, very powerful with these muscles. The confidence I have now, I never had it. I mean, it's amazing. I never wanted to become strong. But then while in the journey, I realized that how strong can be so powerful within. The confidence, the aura, it says everything. So my only focus is now in becoming strong rather than lean. So I think muscle gives you that confidence, and that's the beauty of this entire journey. And with Nadir, it is like seamless. To the people who want to start, there is no Sunday, there is no Monday, there is no new month, there is no new year. You just have to start. If you think now that you want to go to the gym and you want to start your journey, this is the time. Just put in your shoes and just move out of your home. That is the one thing I want to say to everybody who wants to start their journey. Don't think. Thinking makes you lazy. The myth that people have about online coaching is not right. So I think it is one of the finest thing that I have ever seen in last 4 years with Nadir. That's the best thing to have. Online coaching is, I think, the perfect, somebody wants to start the journey, better than the physical ones, I'm seriously telling you. And second message is for the women, for the young girls, I want to say that do strength train. The confidence you will start getting in your 20s, nobody can beat you in your 30s. I am seriously telling this to every girl in this world, that the confidence is the aura of yours. So, and you will actually get it once you feel strong within. And to become strong within, you need to train well. You don't have to feel weak inside. ऐसे ट्रेन करना है कि पंच करे एंड देन जी नाक टूट जाए किसी का. I wore this sari because I get lot of messages from people that I look like a man. Having muscles, you are looking like a man. So I just want to say loud that muscles are not only for men. A woman in sari can have muscles, and a woman in sari with muscles looks like a female and a woman only.